one customer they're trying to use our machine since long, but unfortunately their yield rate always less than 50%, and he has doubt on the machine side, of course. Trying to set our machine quality is the issue, machine productivity is the issue. But of course, Taiwanese machine, the quality is always good. It's always there. Their label is always there. Then we also have doubt with that customer. So we try to conceding with him to try to do some data ministry with customer. Then we all our Huarong factory management system installed with customer factory. We do a monitoring what's going on in the factory side. Then surprising is we didn't change anything. We just install this system. Then the yield rate become back to 90%. What's the difference inside? Some human being issue, some local issue, which we could not control because we are not local. But we try to give some support to that management